I want to share with you how to fund your FBS account. You can use any browser of your choice and sign in to your FBS account. So here I have the FBS app and I have a Chrome browser here. So let me open the browser, and as you can see here, I've already signed in to make the video faster. Okay, after successfully signing into your FBS account, click on this menu icon and then click on dashboard. Now here is my dashboard. Inside the dashboard, I'll click on this deposit here. Click on deposit. In the next page, I will see the list of deposit methods that are available on the FBS app. So you just have to choose the one you have or the one you can use. So if you have perfect money, you can also use perfect money, but me, I don't have perfect money. So the deposit options here may be different for every country. So this is for Nigeria. So you can use local banks. So when you click on local banks here now, in the next page, you will be asked to enter your full name and the details. It's just as if you are making a request for that you want to make payment. Make the request that you want to make payment. So when you submit the request, you'll be given an account to send the money to, and it takes like 15 to 20 minutes, and the money will be available in your account, just like they said here. So I think the minimum amount they can fund is 5,000 or so, or is it up to, yes, it's 1,300 to, I think, is it 4 million or 40 million, I don't know. So just fill in your details, the amount, and then click on deposit. The next page will give you an account that you will send the money in Naira to, and after 20 minutes or 10 or 20 minutes of verification, the money will be funded into your account. If you want to deposit with crypto, click on crypto and then choose your preferred crypto. Like here you have USDT, TRC20 and Bitcoin. So I would recommend TRC20 because the network fee is low. So when you click on it, in the next page, just pay attention and read the instructions that follows. So the first instruction, as you can see, the minimum deposit is 10, and here it's saying that you should deposit the exact USDT. Don't deposit any other crypto. Just make sure you're depositing USDT. So, and don't use P2P. Don't tell another person to send money. Just make sure you send it from your own account. So they said they don't accept P2P. So here they said copy this address. That this address is going to be used once you copy it and use it, and after making payment, click on done. The page will refresh after some time or after 10 minutes and the transaction will be confirmed. You don't close this page after copying this address and then come back to generate a new one and make payment. Just follow this instruction so that you will not lose your money, and then make the deposit. The money will be funded into your account. So that's all on how to fund your FBS account. If you find this video helpful, please just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. If you have any question or you are still finding it difficult to fund your FBS account, kindly contact me or drop it in the comment section. I'll be so glad to help you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.